What's up, guys? We are checking out In Another World with my smartphone. This is a very interesting isekai. I wonder what it would be like being trapped in another world with just your smartphone. First thing that comes to mind, how would you charge it? Second, you wouldn't really have reception. Ah, fuck it. Let's get into it, shall we? His smartphone just came falling from the fucking sky? Is how this what? Alright, so it's that. There's quite of this lady can control bears? The fuck? Okay. Alright, so finally they introduced another male character. Okay, that she's got some really strong hands. I would not fuck with that bitch. Oh, so one of the twins is good at melee. And the other one's good at, you know, magic. Okay. So, let's rewind it here real quick, like. First of all, this lady's got, one of them's got an umbrella. Okay, I'm cool with that. Like that. So he's got, this dude's got twins coming with him, looks like. A samurai girl that I wouldn't want to fuck with. She looks crazy. She's probably crazy. And she's got some, hold on. Can we just talk about her fucking, like, eyelashes real quick? Because she's got eyebrows, all right? Her eyelash, what the how do you get gray eyelashes? She's a bad bitch. That's all I gotta say. Dude, she's beating this shit out of a goddamn dragon right now. Bear. Well, not. She's wearing gauntlets. Would you really consider that like being barehanded? I don't know. I'll leave that up for you guys to decide. Okay, so it is a badass samurai bitch, okay? And that girl can use like, okay, so they've got melee covered. Apparently this dude's using a sword and he has a smartphone. I don't really know what that would do. I'm any good in a fight. The other one's got a spellcaster. We got like bow and arrow. They literally got all roles covered right now. Damn, okay. And see, like right here, this last picture where it just shows, I think this is a staff. And then they got the smartphone in the middle. I don't know what the fuck this pink ass helmet is. Weird. They have the bow. No, this is a katana right here. This is the sword. The fuck is this a bow? It's a bow. It's got the drawstring. And then the gauntlets. What the hell is this pink helmet? Okay. Weird. I'm still curious how he's gonna charge the phone. How does that work? What purpose would it actually serve? All right, let's check out the ending, shall we? Little teddy bear's so fucking cute, you know? Like water droplets or sound waves being traveled or something? So she's complacent with being stuck inside or something? Oh shit. She thirsty for him. That's what's going on here. She thirsty. Girl, get you a glass of water. Okay. We'll come back to that. Hold on. Who you calling, teddy bear? What you doing there, buddy? Okay, alright. Here. Clearly, it's fucking sunny outside. Clearly, there's no clouds in the sky. Why the fuck does she have a goddamn umbrella? Is she just trying to stay in the shade all the time? I mean, clearly she controls that teddy bear, okay? Or something going on with that little teddy bear. But like, fish, you're already outside. You might as well freaking be normal. No. We're gonna rock an umbrella. That's life. Huh. Okay. So I'm a little intrigued. At the same time, also very curious why. I think these are twins. They have to be twins. And then you've got someone with two different colored eyes that has like a weird ass like ear on the side of her head. Maybe it's a headphone or some shit. Oh. A little weird. I could be down to get, dabble with this anime. Not a bad idea. Well, guys, if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Drop in the comments. If you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.